What's up guys, it's Bailey and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you a full unboxing of an electric scooter that I picked up from GoTrax called the GXL Commuter. I hope this video will help those who are interested in picking the scooter up. I will post a full review on the scooter in the future after I have tested it. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. There's actually not much in the box, but in the box it comes with the handle with the headlight and levers already attached to it. It comes with an Allen wrench to attach the handlebar to the scooter, which you will see in the manual, and also it comes with a hose to help pump up the tires on the scooter. When I first got the scooter, it was not full of air, which I did not realize. Make sure you pump up the tires before your first ride. And of course, it comes with the base of the scooter intact with the wheels and everything else already combined. The last couple things it comes with is a manual which will help guide you through installing the handlebar onto the base and the charging cable itself. Like always, all the products I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description down below with the most up-to-date pricing if you wish to check them out. I'm going to include an Amazon link and also the GoTrax link. Depending on the state, if you purchase from GoTrax, you will most likely not get charged for tax. If you guys have any questions about the product I mentioned in this video, feel free to comment it down below and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.